guys, we found a baby cat. He's hiding over here in the bushes.
Don't know if you can see him. Turn your brightness up a little bit if you can. Yep, can you see him?
And here you see him.
Can you see them, guys? Yep, I can see him on my cam. Holy moly!
See him?
Guys,
there he is.
It's been following us from the bamboo house. Miller?
Oh, there it is. Hi, kitty.
He's so cute. My brother got it to come to us. He's a kitty cat master. Literally, he's the only one that cat wanted. That's my brother. Subscribe to him. He has a YouTube channel. I don't know if you can call it cat.
He tried to scratch me.
He's so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute.
Miller, stop.
Mama, put your hand out.
All right.
He's so cute.
Well, bye, guys. That's the end of this video.
Yeah.